Hey guys, this is Tennessee Tornado. Today, we are going inside the fridge. My boy Colton's in here.
The new Colton Conway. He messed up my intro.
And guys, I'm going in the fridge, and that's what we're gonna be doing today.
Stop! I'm trying to do an intro.
You guys, he's in the fridge right now. Look, whatever we guys. Guys, he's in the fridge. This is hilarious. Look at his fish, guys. I might get a fish like that neon fish right there. See him? He has a bunch of fish. His house is a mess, guys. Like, it's a bit of a mess right now. It's not my house, so it's not my problem. What?
When I knock, I want you to open it and say fridge.
Okay. Fridge!
Yeah, guys, I'm in the fridge, motherfuckers!
He was in the fridge, guys.
Yeah, guys, so this is all my stuff in my fridge. I took everything out
The
so
fridge.
we could get inside.
Come on.
Yeah, we're fresh food.
We're both in the fridge, guys.
Fresh food. Scoop back, dude. Ugh.
We both gotta fit in the fridge.
In my fridge,
Look,
guys.
that's how you turn the light off.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Is that a
We're in
spider?
the fridge.
It's a spider. Look. A spider.
He wanted to come inside with us.
That's a little one. It's okay.
Guys, look, we're in the fridge. Hey, Colton.
Oh my god.
Guys, there's barely any room. This is crazy.
Now go crisscross like this. Try to crisscross or put your knees
Together, guys, look at the 10 of us spider. See that little black dot? Oh, my bad.
that little thing. My camera sees it.
Yeah. Me too. That's cereal, guys. Hear that sound? We're inside the fridge. Look. Oh, my bad. So look, I'll show you. There's the door. And now we'll close it.
Yeah.
There's the lid.
So make sure to go subscribe.
Oh, guys.
Link in the description. Link in the description for me too, guys. But yeah, guys.
Yeah, we're in the
oh my
fridge. I don't know. Look, guys. Exotic
the
butters.
Dude, this is what my food feels like. This is what my food feels
The
like.
food feels really good, guys.
It was so fresh.
It's nice and cold in
Right
here.
above us is the freezer. You wanna go in the freezer next?
One of us go in the freezer and one of us go in the fridge, guys.
Yo!
Guys, we're gonna do that. Let's go.
Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Go to the freezer.
Oh! You okay? I hit his head. Oh my god. Oh my god, the freezer is evil. You'd have to bend your body like that inside, guys. We're taking out the freezer stuff. We've actually put his plushie, that baby plushie, inside of here. Baby from Sister Location. We've actually put that in here. Guys, chill. Down.
Noodles are fresh. Noodles are fresh.
Well, you can clean your thing now.
Oh god.
Fresh cigarette.
I'm gonna turn it to cold,
Guys.
so it's not too cold, okay?
No.
You want it to
Here.
cold?
Like the colder.
That's the
Cold.
coldest.
Guys, I put it on colder. Guys, I switched the handle to colder instead of cold,
Okay,
so
so
now
on
it's
colder?
extra cold.
So it's gonna be extra cold.
The AC's coming from there. This boy's gonna go in. My boy Colton gonna go in there. I'm not.
Better not.
You gotta like bend your body in there.
I'm turning it down. It's too much.
Yeah, it's gonna be too cold. You're going right in the freezer. Here, guys, you still on? Here, I'll record both, guys. He's on this phone. You guys can see my phone. We both got. Guys, he just made the biggest mess.
What was that?
Let's say it was just some glass, marbles, and guys, look at
Was
this.
it crystal?
Yeah,
My mom's gonna kill me.
guys,
Okay, guys.
look at that. He just smashed it all. That boy just smashed it. Look at all that. He just smashed it, guys. We went all the way over here.
They're gonna see what it looks like first, Taylor.
Okay. Guys, this video might end very soon. There you go.
Hey guys,
Hold on, guys.
that was like.
Oh, guys, I gotta walk through.
What are you guys doing? Taylor?
My sister. We smashed the glass.
What are you guys doing?
He's trying to get in the freezer now.
Stop smashing stuff.
We didn't. It fell. He opened the freezer door and it fell.
What?
A glass.
I heard it smash.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm
Hold on, guys.